Hello and welcome to this tutorial on our pearl bead hand press machine. Now, out of the box looks something like this with a spring loaded top and a nice red handle. I'm going to show you how it works with 10mm pearls, but it comes with a range of different sizes and they all fix exactly the same way. So I have a die set in here already. These are interchangeable, so this can just unscrew like that, and they do come off, so depending on the size you need you will change the die set. All the die sets are provided in the kit. Screw that back on. I'm going to take a 10mm pearl, which looks like that, perfectly round all the way around it, and that pushes up into the die set on top. Then we'll take a backing pin. Now these are absolutely miniature. You can see this is going to go into the bottom of the machine with these spikes pointing upwards. So I'll take that. That goes into the bottom of the machine here with the spikes facing up. I'll get some faux leather. This is really thick, probably about the max that you could really use against something like this, but this also works on very thin materials as well. It's really simple. We'll put the fabric in between. We're going to push down with our thumb, grab the handle and then pull it all the way up. We'll let go, pull this out, and there we have our perfectly round pearl in our faux leather, and that's the backing pin on the rear.